Are you ready to break free from self-doubt and unleash your own inner warrior? Are you tired of playing small and, feeling like you're holding yourself back? It's time. It's time for you to step into your power and create the life you truly deserve. We've all been there. That nagging inner critic, the fear of failure, fear of not trying, fear of trying, and the feeling that something's holding you back from true greatness. But what if I told you you already have everything you need already within you? Hi, I'm Theresa Byrne, mindset and boundaries specialist. For years, I've helped people like you overcome self-sabotage and unleash their full potential. Now, I've poured many of my proven tools and strategies into this book, InPower, Finding Your Voice. In this book, you'll discover how to silence or at least make friends with that inner bully or your inner critic, set powerful boundaries, and tap into the unwavering confidence of your true inner power. You'll learn how to embrace your strengths, overcome challenges, and finally achieve the success, the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine this, leading your life with unshakable confidence, speaking your truth without even hesitating, making a massive impact on the world, the impact you came here to make. This is your time to rise. InPower, Finding Your Voice, is a guide to unlocking your inner warrior and creating that life that you want of purpose and power. Order your copy today and join me on this incredible journey. Visit the website at theresabyrne.com or find it on Amazon. Hey, I get it. I've been there. But you know what? It's time. It's time for you to unleash your InPower. The world is waiting to hear from you. The world is waiting for you to find your voice.